Have you noticed your hybrid feeling a bit sluggish or vibrating more than usual at a stoplight? These can be classic signs that your ignition system is struggling, specifically pointing to a worn-out ignition coil. The ignition coil is a small but mighty component that transforms low voltage from your battery into the thousands of volts needed to spark your engine's fuel. Over time, heat and stress can lead to failure. Today we are looking at a replacement ignition coil designed for the 1.6L engine found in the 2017 to 2020 Hyundai Ioniq and the 2017 to 2020 Kia Niro. It is a specific component built for these hybrid power plants. What do these specs actually mean for you? Because these are classified as wear parts, they aren't meant to last forever. Having a compatible replacement on hand can save you a lot of time during a repair. It is not just about the brand, it is about the fit. With the 1.6L hybrid engine, precision is everything. Using a coil designed for your exact make and year ensures the timing and energy output are correct. Before you rush to buy, double-check your diagnostic codes. A misfire code for a specific cylinder is the most common reason to replace a coil. It is a practical way to isolate the issue before spending money. This unit is currently listed at $57.21. When shopping for these parts, remember that while price is a factor, quality and longevity are just as important for hybrid reliability. Overall, S Plus Hyundai Ioniq 2017 to 2020 Kia could be worth checking if the details match your need. Review the listing carefully and compare before buying. The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. While this is a solid option to consider, always check if your vehicle's specific production date requires a different revision of the part. Not every part fits every sub-model, so do your research. Replacing a failing coil can restore your fuel economy and help your engine run smoothly again. It is a relatively straightforward job for those comfortable under the hood, but don't hesitate to consult a professional. If you are ready to tackle that engine performance issue, take a moment to compare the specs and confirm the latest pricing. Making sure you have the right part the first time makes all the difference.